don't make this mistake when trying to upgrade your PC memory. As you can see, the main important part here is this 1R/8. As you can see, this memory chip is 2R/8. Don't forget the memory speed and the like. So what that means is that this memory chip has got modules on both sides of the memory chip itself, and the one with 1R has got only one side, as you can see. But the important part is that these two memory, even if they are the same speed and the same size, this would not work in the same PC because of the same specs itself. So the 1R cannot go in the same PC where the 2R is. Your PC won't boot up. Make sure that you get two that are of the same standard. This might be the same DDR3 or DDR4. As long as that is different, that will not work in the same PC. Subscribe for more PC tips.